A Sindhi breakfast combination that I've been missing out on? Hall. The Sindhis have already guessed it, but you and me, Lalo, are gonna try this for the first time. So this is a staple Sindhi breakfast. It's koki, chai, papad. Okay, I have a confession to make. I know it's supposed to be in my DNA, but I don't really like papad.
Huh?
And I've never had chai. I've had green tea, Earl Grey tea, but never chai. So today is the day then. Okay, we have our koki. Here's the papad. And my family recommends society tea, so I got the instant mix. So let's get that started. You make a grai of koki and papad and gulp it down with a sip of chai. Okay. I get the vision. I get the combination. Impressed. Sold. I like it. I never thought I'm a chai person. I'm a chai person. I want you to just smell it like Instagram. Masaga. Honestly, I could get on board with the society tea, but papad, I'm not convinced. Huh? Sorry.